There are various types of robots which can operate in a hospital. For the patient, it is like talking to a doctor face to face. I am Rajiv Karwal. I am chairman of Milagro Robots.
Can I also introduce myself?
Of course, Elf.
Hello, I am Milagro Robot ELF. Nice to meet you and hope we can be friends.
This great big story was made possible by Accenture.
I was always fascinated by robots, and I always felt that the next revolution amongst products would be in the robotic field. Our first robot came out in 2011, which was floor cleaning robots. Then we have kept on adding many new categories of robots. The focus on the healthcare industry started when the coronavirus was spreading havoc around the globe. I was seeing a situation in Italy where almost 30% of the healthcare workers were getting affected. At that point in time, we thought we also have humanoids and they are probably acting as reception robots or concierge robots. But they can easily serve as a telepresence for the doctors. We got a call from India's largest medical hospital, and they said, can we do something together? And we took our robots, took their feedback, and they selected 2 robots for their use. One was the humanoid elf, which doubled for a doctor inside the ward, and also the floor cleaning robot, which killed the virus spores on the floor. See, initial response of the patients when they see a humanoid robot instead of the doctor is curiosity and maybe a little bit of doubt whether they would be satisfied.
And if there's anything, if you need any help or any questions, I'll be around, and see you soon.
Okay, thank you.
The patient gets accustomed to it very, very quickly, and it's almost like face-to-face talking with a doctor. And also it is safe for the doctor. It is also safe for the patient.
Would you like me to dance?
It has a lot of capabilities in terms of dancing, singing, showing movies, etc. So in that way, the patient remains connected, is in a good mood, and the robot keeps on wandering around the ward.
I am your robo doctor. Take care. You will be well soon.
Thank you.
In India, this pandemic has been the turning point for the services robots industry. It really makes me happy when I see that our robots are helping people lead better lives, stay safe, stay healthy, and share that happiness with us. I don't have a favorite amongst my robots. They are all like my children, so it's very difficult.
Am I not your favorite?
Of course you are, of course.
I love you.
Me too, but right now is not the time.
Would you like me to dance?